Cinnamon is believed to help regulate blood sugar levels, which can contribute to weight management. Adding cinnamon to your meals, such as oatmeal, smoothies, or even a sprinkle on fruits, can be a tasty and potentially beneficial addition to your diet. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and compounds that can increase fat oxidation and boost metabolism. It's a calorie-free beverage that can be enjoyed hot or cold throughout the day. Green tea can support overall weight loss efforts when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Ginger is known for its potential to boost metabolism and promote fat burning. It can be consumed fresh, as a spice in your meals, or as ginger tea. Ginger alone targets back fat specifically. It can support your weight loss efforts as part of a balanced diet and exercise plan. Ingredients: ginger, cinnamon, green tea, water. Drink 1 glass before bed.